Hi, in this podcast, I would like to talk about the Writing Strategies book by Jennifer Saravallo. You may have heard of Jennifer Saravallo. She's written several other books, such as Reading Strategies book, Teaching Reading in Small Groups, the Literacy Teacher's Playbook, and Literacy Teacher's Playbook for K through 2. She's designed these books, this one especially, so it's ready to use with writing workshop, the 6+1 traits, the daily fives working on writing, scripted writing programs, and writing exercises in Basel readers. When I first got this book, I started looking at it and I began wondering, will this be of an advantage to me? But as we've gone through this class and a writing class that I also employ the book in, I have found that it has become an invaluable resource to me. It gives me several different strategies to use when I'm writing or when I'm teaching a writing exercise to a student. In the table of contents, the book is broke down into different goals. The first couple of goals are generated more towards emerging writers. One of the goals that they offer in here is make your pictures match your words. And this is more for your younger elementary. And it's designed to have the student make sure his picture matches the words that he's writing. And then he's supposed to reread it. Now, throughout these strategies that they offer, like here, 1.6, label your pictures. The strategy, point to something in your picture. Say what it is. Say it again slowly. Write down each sound you hear next to the picture on the page. After they teach you the strategy in the book, Jennifer Saravallo gives you teaching tips in there in how you can use this with children and how you can also change it for children in different ways. She offers prompts such as, what sounds do you hear? Say the word slowly. What letter makes that sound? And write that letter down and say the word again. This is a very well thought out book. In fact, it is one that I have decided I am going to keep after my classes are over. But it's structured in such a way that your initial goal is composing with pictures, again, emergent readers or writers. Then it goes to goal 2, engagement. Goal 3, generating and collecting ideas, which I am going to teach to a student here in approximately a half hour, one of these strategies, which is called Scan the Newspaper. And that one is meant to look through the newspaper, find an article, and then change the article into something that you can write a fictional piece about. Then you go into goal 4, focus and meaning. 5, organization and structure. 6 is elaboration. 7 is word choice. And 8 is conventions, spelling and letter formation. And what I found in some of these different ones, such as in goal 8, spelling and letter formations, they offer you some nice charts in here that you can use, vowel charts, and different models in here and pictures. One that I used recently was in Go9, which the Go9 is actually punctuation and grammar. One I found in here and taught to a student was ellipsis. It was how to use ellipsis, what they're used for in writing, and how to employ them in your own writing. The student, when I asked him what ellipses were, he said he had no idea. When I brought out a mentor text and showed him examples of it, it started clicking in his head and he understood. So that was a very valuable lesson to teach him. He's a 4th grade student going into 5th. So that was one I thought that he might employ once he hits his 5th grade. As I said, this book is just really well thought out. It has on each strategy, such as 10.3, storytelling from sketches. It has the levels it's for, K through 3, the genre text type, narrative, and the processes that it's going to help teach, rehearsing and developing. I cannot say enough about this book because, as I stated earlier, it's an invaluable resource. It's one that I plan on keeping, along with my reading strategies book that was also authored by Jennifer Saravallo. So this is my podcast. This is my presentation on the book. And this is my utmost endorsement of this book. Thank you.